Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Ottoman Storage Cube is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving pieces of furniture you can add to your home, offering a hidden compartment for blankets, books, or toys, while also serving as a comfortable footrest or extra seating. Its compact design makes it ideal for smaller apartments, dorm rooms, or any area where maximizing space is a priority. This ottoman is a practical solution for decluttering and organizing your living space without sacrificing style or comfort, proving that functionality and aesthetics can go hand in hand. Number 5. FSOBEIIALEO Storage Ottoman Cube. Introducing a versatile storage ottoman, perfect for any room. Its compact size makes it ideal for smaller spaces. Crafted with comfortable and breathable linen fabric, this stool offers a pleasant seating or footrest experience. Built with a sturdy MDF structure from FSC certified wood, it's designed for long-term use in your home. Enjoy generous storage space within. It's perfect for organizing books, clothes, blankets, and other household items. Use it as a footstool, a bed stool, or even a coffee table. Its adaptability suits various needs. Assembly is a breeze, taking only seconds. When not in use, its lightweight and foldable design allows for easy storage. What we like? This ottoman is perfect for small spaces, offering a compact and foldable design. If you're looking for a versatile piece that can be easily stored away when not in use, this is a great choice for dorm rooms or tight living areas. What people say? It is sturdy and comfortable as a seat. The top is cushioned and nicely covered, sides too, in a modestly glossy faux leather, actually very attractive. It is a breeze to set up and very compact when folded up and easy to carry, though not lightweight, which is good for its overall purpose. Another plus is that it is extra roomy inside for storage. Perfect for end of couch, storage holds quite a few things. Bought this to use in our RV, perfect size, love that it's collapsible, just fold up and store in a cabinet. Perfect height for when I'm sitting on my sofa. Number 4. Designs 4 Comfort Accent Storage Ottoman. Introducing the Design 4 Comfort Collection, where style meets function. These pieces are designed to elevate your home decor, offering both aesthetic appeal and practical use. Choose from a variety of finishes to perfectly complement your home style. We have options to suit any modern or contemporary setting. This ottoman offers spacious storage, perfect for keeping blankets, pillows, or magazines neatly tucked away. Maximize your space with its ample interior. Experience ultimate versatility with this chic piece. It looks great in any room and triples as a footrest, extra seating, or a storage unit. Crafted from high-quality materials, it's built for durability and style. This piece features soft fabric and a decorative tray for added elegance. Setting up your new ottoman is a breeze. It's easy to assemble with the included instructions, making it a hassle-free addition to your home. This ottoman is perfectly sized to fit seamlessly into any room. Its dimensions make it an ideal addition without taking up too much space. What we like? This ottoman stands out with its decorative tray and spacious storage, offering a stylish and functional addition to your living space. If you appreciate furniture that doubles as a coffee table and storage, and want to elevate your home decor, this is the one for you. What people say? With this I have extra seating, a coffee table, by flipping the top, with handles provided, and a footrest for the middle, man. The width doesn't interfere with the reclining seats because it's just narrow enough to fit between, yet feels larger and will hold a throw blanket or two and other items. The quality is high, it's impressively sturdy, durable, looks great, has ample storage, works great when the top is flipped acting as a tray table, and comes assembled. It is perfect for my entrance, can be sat on to put on boots etc., lots of storage space for shawls, gloves, and scarves, just what I needed, love it. Number 3. SONGMICS 11.8 Folding Storage Ottoman Cube. Experience chic style and lasting comfort with its elegant tufting and double-layer fabric. The high-resilience foam ensures a relaxing experience every time you use it. Built with sturdy MDF panels, it can support up to 286 pounds, making it a dependable choice for both sitting and storage. You can rely on it for years to come. This cube offers a generous 6-gallon capacity, perfect for organizing your clothes, books, or magazines. Keep your space tidy and clutter-free with ease. Setting it up is a breeze, just insert the bottom panel. When not in use, it easily folds flat for convenient storage under the bed or in a closet. It effortlessly transforms into a storage box, footstool, or coffee table. It's the perfect adaptable piece for any room in your home. What we like. Featuring elegant tufting and high resilience foam, this ottoman provides enduring comfort and style. If you desire a touch of sophistication and a comfortable place to rest your feet, this is an excellent option for adding a stylish accent to your room. What people say. It works great as a footrest and also provides much-needed storage. It's sturdy enough that my 10-year-old can sit on it with no issues, and it holds all the things I didn't have a spot for in the van. The size is perfect for his room, not too big, not too small, and just right for stashing all of his I'll put these away later clothes. This little ottoman holds so much stuff, I'm starting to wonder if it has a secret second life as a black hole. It also has a solid weight capacity, can handle up to 286 pounds. It took me less than a minute to set it up. I got the small ottoman and it is the exact right height to serve as a footrest in front of my chair. The box is very sturdy. Even sitting on it, I felt confident that it could hold my weight. It does have space inside to hold a small blanket or maybe an ideal space to collect the remote controls for the TV or to store other odds and ends. Number 2. Storage Ottoman Footrest Stool. Experience unparalleled comfort with our thickened foam padded seat. It's the perfect size to rest your feet after a long day, helping you relax your legs and your entire body. This ottoman is incredibly versatile. Use it as a coffee table, an extra seat, or a footstool. Its waterproof faux leather is easy to clean, making it suitable for any room in your home. Crafted with upgraded thickened foam and sturdy MDF boards, this ottoman is built for durability. It offers excellent stability and can support up to 350 pounds, so you can even stand on it. Discover a generous 43L of hidden storage space. It's perfect for organizing toys, blankets, books, and more, helping you keep your living space tidy and clutter-free. Setting it up is a breeze, no tools required. When not in use, it folds flat in seconds, making it incredibly space-saving and convenient. Its sleek design complements any decor. Enjoy the convenience of side pockets and armrests, adding both style and practicality to your home. What we like. With its upgraded thickened foam and impressive 350 pounds weight capacity, this ottoman offers superior comfort and durability. If you need a sturdy footrest that can also serve as a stable bench or even a climbing tool, this is a robust and practical choice. What people say. It's attractive, well-made, sturdy, ample size and decent storage. The height is perfect. Sturdy, well-padded as a footstool or seat. It's unexpectedly attractive, both in material quality and design. It's sized generously, just right. Plus it has lots of storage room, side pockets, and handles. They are quite sturdy. I used one to put my smaller exercise equipment in and the other to put toys in. Now everyone in the room also has a footstool. Number 1. SONGMICS Storage Ottoman Bench ULSF 088G01. Experience chic linen look upholstery with elegant tufting. Its double-layer fabric and high-resilience foam provide lasting comfort for your relaxation. Built with premium MDF panels and reinforced metal guards, it's strong enough to support up to 660 pounds. This makes it a reliable seating or storage solution. Measuring 15.7 by 43.3 by 15.7 inches, it offers a generous 27-gallon volume. Perfect for storing blankets, books, or bed sheets. Use it with the fabric cover to match your elegant decor, or without for a modern, simple look. The choice is yours. Use it as a shoe bench in the entryway, a coffee table in the living room, or a bed and stool in the bedroom. It fits perfectly wherever you need it. What we like. This ottoman bench boasts an exceptionally large storage capacity and an impressive 660 pounds weight limit, making it incredibly versatile. If you need a substantial storage solution for the end of your bed, a sturdy bench for your entryway, or a large coffee table, this is the ultimate multifunctional piece. What people say. It appears to be sufficiently strong enough to handle my weight with no problem, so that's a huge plus for me. The cushioning provides excellent support, making it a comfortable seating option for anyone. It has a large compartment that can store blankets, pillows, books, toys, or anything else you want to keep out of sight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.